Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today, Monday usually we do first impression. Today I was supposed to do the new watermelon glass, but I think there were obviously delays with USPS and FedEx and all due to COVID. So I think it will come only later part of the week. So instead of that, I thought I will do the glosses. I have them in hand. I know I have tons of pigmented glasses from Senegens in every shade possible. So I was like, okay, I will cover whatever I have. So I just picked few of them which are like matte glasses for the for today, like matte glasses in the sense which doesn't have glitter to it. For example, let me show a comparison. This is this is a pink strawberry glass, which is a matte, I mean, no glitter glass, whereas this is a pink glitter glass, which will have glitter. We do have many glitter glasses and we do have matte glasses. So I'm going to just cover few of the matte glasses for today. That is the thing I'm going to do. So when it comes to Senegen's glasses, think like more like a lip balm. They are like vitamin E. They have vitamin E and shea butter, so they are going to be highly moisturizing. So the days it acts in two ways, like the same way glossy gloss. You can either use it on top of lip sense to seal the color, or you can use them as it is. These pigmented glosses will give a nice tint of color, but don't get afraid of them when you see the tube. When you see it in the tube, they may look really darker in shade, but when it goes on in your lips, it will not be this pigmented. That's why I wanted to show them in the comparison of it. I'm just going to cover these 6 for today. The first batch was like the jelly glasses from last year, because when they had the watermelon and cherry lemonade, I thought this reminded me the collection from last year. This is the jellies collection. Last year it came with pink strawberry, juicy cherry and grape. So these are they came as a collection, and but you can always buy them individually. And the other 3 I picked are like berry blast, Madeline and pink matte. So these are the colors we are going to see for today. So let me go ahead and start one by one. So let's start with pink strawberry. As I said, with any gloss in general, gloss are not smudge resistant, because gloss is the one that is going to get either absorbed or get in contact with anything like the food, or whether you are drinking water or the coffee cups, anything. So they will transfer, and but these are like your lip balm. You can just have it in your purse or wherever you travel, and these are good for teens and kids. So let's go ahead and start with the pink strawberry first. So this is pink strawberry. You can see the difference from the bottle, the color that is in the bottle, to when it applies. It goes really subtle, because it is, I don't know, somehow they make the color look vibrant in the bottle. That way it is really I mean, with the logo and everything, it looks really nice. But it will not be exactly the same like how the lip sense, it's based on your pH balance and other things. The same way the gloss will go really smooth, and it will not be heavy. And as I said, it will get absorbed after some time. So if you are a pink lover, and this gloss is really nice for you. And these glosses will be easy to grab when you need a quick look. And as I said, you can just put them in your handbag, and they are going to moisturize you while wearing it. So it will have you moisturize the whole day, but you need to reapply if you need to stay longer for the day. And as I said, you can layer it too. If I need one more layer, I can still go ahead and do to make it even more prominent. But I like this like just like a two coat. That's what I do. The first coat will be very light. I always do the second one so that you can see the color. So I'm going to take pictures of each gloss. That way you can see it after. And then let's go ahead and do the next. So let's finish the jelly glasses first before moving ahead to the next one. So the next one is the juicy cherry from the jellies collection, which is like a red. So jelly collection had three of them. One is a pink, one is a purple, and another one is the red. So that's juicy cherry on me. As I said, even though you can wear these glosses on its own, another way to make them stay longer is adding like a very neutral color under it, like nude honey, nude pink, where it is going to be very similar to your lip look, like a neutral color, but it will still have help the glosses to stay longer. So that way you don't have the glosses change too much, but at the same time this lip sense will give it a nice base to hold on to it. That is another way. I always like to wear any of these berry glosses with nude pink. That is like, even you don't even need three layers. You can just do one or two and then top it with a gloss like this. So it's a the new. I mean, juicy cherry is more of a I would say like a maroonish shade, whereas we had even red delicious and honey crisp, where they will have like a little bit of shine to it. You can see the more time I'm wearing, you can see how nicely it is moisturizing my lips. It will make it smoother as I go further along. So these glasses are works as a treatment while wearing. That is with any of the Senegen's products, even though they are makeup. For example, whether it's CCTM, they still protect you from sun. The same way your glossy glass are these glosses will act as a lip balm. The lip sense acts as a sun protection from lips. So your mascara will help grow lashes. Your so each one they have think through so much, not only as like a what is it, like just make, instead of being as a makeup, they still act as your skincare. Like the same way our oops remover will still have a Sanaplex complex while even removing the makeup. So picking these glosses is really easy. Like you just need to know what color you usually wear, and then you can pick a gloss from this, because they will last you longer. Like even if you wear like more than 6 to 8 months, I hope these glasses will stay, because you'll just use like a one or two swipes max, but they will last. I mean, they will help, and also they will last longer. I know we do had a scarlet too. Scarlet will be even reddish when compared to this. I don't know whether I have scarlet closer to me, but I can show a comparison sometime. Yeah, I have it. You can see scarlet will have like a little bit of pearlish shine to it, whereas juicy cherry will not. That's why I picked it part of the matte glass today. So today it's only all glasses which doesn't have any shine to it. The next one we are picking is grape gloss. And one more thing to mention is none of the glosses I'm doing today are flavored or has a fragrance to it. So they all are like, even though they say jelly glosses, they don't have like a flavor to them. Because if you remember, we had glosses back in winter. These are like flavored ones. The mini glasses that came in, because they had I think wine, they had ginger snap, all those. So these are like, when you wear them you can have the smell, because the watermelon and cherry lemonade is going to have that. But I wanted to mention that when it comes to these glasses. The same way, those were conversation hearts, and the same way, some of our glosses are came in a little smaller size, but the ones I am doing today all are like our regular size glasses. So these were $20, whereas the little smaller ones used to be 15, and the scented mini used to be, I think it came as a collection. So that is one set where they didn't allow us to break, because those mini glasses came as 4 in 1 collection. So other than that, usually even we'll be able to split them if you want only one glass for the day. So that is grape from the jellies collection. So these three are the part of the jellies collection: pink strawberry, juicy cherry, and grape. So let's go ahead and do the next one. It is more like you are wearing a very light pink, what to say, like a lip color or something. So this is like one of a kind from any other glasses we sell. It is so far we never got any of the glasses in this. So if you are a matte lip lover, obviously pink matte will be your choice. So that's Madeline on me. This is Crystal Mauve as a Lipson's color. You can see they both are really close. You can even use Madeline glass to top it over Crystal Mauve to make it even more, what to say, like a matte look, and even more adding the matte, I mean mauve tint to it. A Crystal Mauve is a sheer color, which is another favorite of mine. These are like your everyday shades that can work really well under these glasses, because they are going to be, they are not going to be too prominent or too flashy. At the same time, just adding a slight tint to the color. So Madeline is the one I am wearing now. The last one will be Berry Blast. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, let's do the last one. Berry Blast. It's my favorite out of the colors I have, because it's. I'm more of a berry tone person. Like anything pinks and berries, I love it. Like that's why I tend more towards those shades when it comes to lip scents too. So Berry Blast is one of my favorite. And as I said, I have wore tons of times on top of nude pink, and these glosses are not sticky. That is another thing to mention. They are not going to be like sticky consistency. Since as I said, they are going to get absorbed in your lips, they are not sticky at all. Do you see? It goes so smooth and perfect. Do you see how pretty it looks? It's my favorite to wear with any of the, even creamer. Creamer will be a nice choice for if you're looking, and Bella from the permanent line will also be a nice base for these colors. Any shade like praline rose to bombshell, which doesn't have much color to it, because those colors on my skin tone and all will not be, or to say, like too prominent. So obviously adding these glosses will make the shade more visible in that sense, but in a prettier way, like not as a like a red flashy way. These are like subtle pinks and purples. Now I am going to obsess with Berry Blast all day. I love it. Again, Stella Glass will be closer to Berry Blast, but you can see Stella Glass has a pearl shine. So that is comes under different category. That's why I didn't do. So to the colors I have finished for today, I just have one of each from Grape, Pink Matte, Madeline. As I said, this is my last. I cannot order more, so Madeline, I just have one. I have one pink strawberry, one juicy cherry, but I have two Berry Blast, because as I said, since it's my favorite, I have two of them. I always stocked up whenever it runs out. So these are the colors from this from my stock, which I did today. I have tons more to finish. All these are my stock. I will post a picture on separate. As I said, I will do a separate video on just glitter glasses. If you are a glitter person, there are again tons of glasses which has glitters to them, or even we have glasses just have like a pearly finish, like how I did Tahitian pearl that day. You have glasses which will give that kind of shine too. So you can order any of these glosses from the website too, except Madeline. So that is another way you can go ahead and do from my website, which is senegence.com/smile all day. Or else you can grab from mine. As I said, the main advantage from grabbing mine is I always send out free samples with the orders. So that's why sometimes I ask you to check with me before ordering and to do that. But it's always your preference whether to go with the website and pick on your own, or asking my help and do that. And the Senalook app has all these glasses too, so you can try them virtually before giving, and you can ask me swatches too. I can show you swatches, or I can share you pictures of all these glasses. I think except the few newer ones, all the glasses should have pictures in every skin tone, so I can share that too. So that's all for today's look. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon in a new content.